Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to act now. Press Win, type Credential Manager, and open it. This is where Windows stores logins. Focus first on Windows credentials for system services and mapped drives, and switch to web credentials for browser-saved entries. Make sure you have administrative access when managing system entries, because some operations require elevation. Once open, scan the list and note exact account names and target machines. This speeds up edits and prevents accidental deletions later. Now you'll make changes. Expand any credential to edit or remove it. Update the username exactly as used by the service, then save. To add credentials, choose Add a Windows Credential, supply the network address, username, and password. This ties the secret to the target. For bulk or risky work, back up the vault first. Use Vault CMD or a system backup tool so you can restore if something breaks. Make sure passwords match the service requirements to avoid lockouts. Finish by testing every connection. Reconnect drives, sign into services, and restart affected apps or services to confirm credentials work. Clean up any orphaned or duplicate entries so Windows picks the correct secret next time, and document changes if this is shared infrastructure. If something fails, don't panic. Run the Credential Manager GUI, or use the Vault CMD utilities to list and rebuild Vault items. Sometimes removing a corrupt entry and re-adding it fixes persistent authentication errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.